So guys, I'm going to show you really quick. If you remember I put the 2 pieces of vinyl on, I want to show you how easy it is to actually change this. Some people were asking if it does leave marks on the gloss black vinyl because I have the 2 pieces here, but I'm going to show you. I'm going to go ahead and just remove the front carbon fiber piece. So work it underneath here, make sure to only lift up that piece, and then pull it. That's the nice thing about this stuff. There's no residue, so you can change the look and look underneath. It's that gloss black piece of vinyl I put on some time ago. It's a really nice way. Before I used to take that off and redo it, and then if I didn't like it, I had to buy this piece again. Now you don't have to. And if you want to take this off, lift it here. Same process. Now you're good to go. So a little tip there. If you change your mind and you're running different ones, a matte, a gloss, or the carbon fiber, just layer them. Even if you put 3 different ones on, it's not going to add really much thickness, and you can just take one off and have a different look there instead of, like I said, buying it for 20 or 30 bucks each time, and the paint is perfect underneath. So a little tip there I learned, save yourself some money, and quickly, within seconds, change the look of it just by removing the top layer. Okay? So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope everyone's staying safe, having a great day today, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks, everybody.